tuke boma Nairobi biro bedo weg pacho e tuke mag laro simbo mar Afrika e basketbol dwe manyien. Tukego gin mag Women Basketball League Zone D kod the Road to BAL Elite Tournament. Jagoro mar Kenya Basketball Federation Angela Luchivia owacho ni tuke mag wakeinigo dhi kelo kanyakla timbe aboro magin kaachiel gi piem ma Kenya kod Zitech University. Tugono dhi bedo e kind tarik 9 dwe manyien nyaka tarik 15. To tuke mag Road to BAL dhi kelo kanyakla timbe 16 e kind tarik 18 nyaka 23 dwe manyien.
Today, Kenya Basketball Federation is really excited to announce that we will be hosting 2 major premier championships coming up in November. The Women Basketball League Africa qualifiers for Group D, which is Zone 5 teams, as well as the Road to BAL Elite 16 in Nairobi. So as Kenya Basketball Federation, we are very excited to have these 2 championships being hosted in Kenya, because this just affirms the fact that FIBA Africa has confidence in Kenya as a host, as well as a growing basketball hub.
In terms of lessons learned after the last BAL, I think we had a difficult time integrating some of the players that we brought in. I think we attempted to change play styles a little bit, which I think in some of these short-term training scenarios can be a bit difficult. So I think the main thing is I think we want to just stay true to our own kind of team identity, both offensively and defensively. I think we've also really tried to work hard to do a lot of research on the players that we've brought